It's all about the prancing horse today. It is the 512 TR, and it's on deck. So let's get to it. Hey everyone, and welcome into the garage for today's What's in the Box. And we're taking a look at the Ferrari 512 TR kit from Fujimi. Now this tooling goes back to 1989 when it was initially released as the Coing Specials Competition. And then it got a rebox following that as the Coing Specials Comfort. And then it got a reissue of the same kit, the Coing Specials Competition, a little bit later. And then sometime in 1989 to 1990, it got reissued as the Ferrari 512 TR, which is the kit we are taking a look at today. And over the course of its history, it was reissued various times in different configurations. In 1990, the Coing Specials Competition Spider version was released. This version was reissued in 2014. So with that, let's get to it. Check it out. And we'll get started with the body. Now we're going to get started with the body parts tree. See, it has a couple options for some rear bumpers. You're going to be using the one on the right. The one on the left will not be used. And getting started now with the chassis parts tree. Flip it over, you can see there is going to be a little sliver of engine detail, top half, if you will. Engine plate detail, I guess we can call it. And moving on to the, basically we'll call this the interior parts tree with some suspension pieces and other bits on there as well. The interior bucket. At least there are no seat bottoms molded to it. Now take a look at the wheels, tires, and some other bits. First, you get a baggie of screws, metal axle, and the wheels and tires, along with the rearview mirror faces. And now we'll take a look at the clear parts tree. Pretty simple. Headlights, taillights, rear window, front and side windows. That's about it. Now let's take a look at the decal sheet. So that's going to about do it for this look at the Ferrari 512 TR kit from Fujimi. Very pretty simple kit. And I'm pretty sure if you want to get yourself some Ferrari color match paint, you know where I'm going with this. James and Scalefinishes can get you hooked up with some. If that's how you want to roll with this one. So on that note, thank you guys for watching. See you next time.